Experience is the king in today's world. We buy products as well as services to get a fabulous experiences out of them. So who doesn't want to be a part of a team that create a delightful experiences for the people? And that's the reason, if you will ask me, what's my first choice company? I will definitely say a UX design firm. Being a developer is a technical job diving into coding, but I am fortunate enough to work with youth where I can implement the design experiences and make them available for the audience. That's make my job interesting and enjoyable.
We combine sincerity and fun at Huge Designs. We follow our values. We work so passionately that there is never a dull moment. My dance describes the feeling of pride and joy.
If I had to express the binding factor with this organization, I would say there are three reasons that really stands out for me. The first being the practice of user-centered design processes at its purest form. I'm talking about subjects like cognitive psychology, user research, usability testing. So as a designer, I've always been enthusiastic about these topics, but Huge Designs is the place where I got the opportunity to explore them, learn them better, and I also witnessed what wonders can they do to a product when applied correctly. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the mentorship program. At Huge Designs, we are trained like consultants, and especially when we are working in a large team and with global clients, these training modules empower us to consult with them, wherein we have equal contribution to the decision-making factors rather than just taking instructions on how to design the screen. And thirdly, I would talk about having visionary leadership. So I think the year 2020 came with a lot of bad news. A lot of things in the world have fallen apart. But this is the same year where our leaders not only held it together, we won a Red Dot Award and we are growing in number. So I think this is definitely not possible unless you have a strong leadership leading the forefront.
Huge is a place where not only mental health but physical health is also taken care of. It has marked his footprints in those directions where not only work but people, policies and procedure all are kept into the consideration.
It has been an amazing experience so far. To answer what is the one thing that I would never want to change at Huge Designs, I think it has to be mentorship. People actually take pain here to guide you and train you through the design processes and the significance of it. They make sure that we learn, grow, and make an impact. I'm grateful that I'm part of the Huge family and my learning curve has been great.
When you're working at Huge, your growth path isn't always linear. You work on multiple projects in so many capacities. It's a kaleidoscope of skills that you can grow into. That is a holistic growth for me.
Being inclusive in Huge is like having a magic wand to where I feel free to contribute my opinions and ideas, a platform where I can work and collaborate together with other teams.
During the journey with Huge Designs, I'm grown up as a better individual and proud to acknowledge the earnings of my life are respect and trust.